Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to use the meet function in Excel. Okay, please, if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, go down below and click that link and be part of our WhatsApp group. We have physical trainings as well. We also have one-on-one trainings. If you are interested, we can talk bilaterally. Okay, and this meet function is very important. It allows you to separate names, also separate names of employees, names of countries. It's a way that we use to clean data most often when we work with large data sets. Let's get in there so I show you what I mean.
So of course, in order to separate this, right now I want to do an analysis here on this data, but there is something I'm having issues with here. Okay, right here I want to separate the names of these restaurants. Okay, so I'll write the name here. I'll just write restaurants. Okay, it could be names of country, etc., but I want to separate just the names. I want to remove these numbers. Okay, so I'm going to use the meet function equals to meet, and then I click tab. Now the meet function says we have to reference the text, which is right here, and I will give a start number and then a number of characters. It means we want to give where we want the text or the characters to start picking from. So what we'll do first of all is to reference this text. Okay, when we reference, we put comma, and then we come now and count. Okay, I want us to count. See what I'm going to do here. I want to start counting. I'll count because I want to start picking from here, from this YT upward. So I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remember that we have a small space here, which is also a character according to Excel, and then we have a dash, which is also a character, and we have a third space, which is also a character. So here we have 3 characters already, and then we can count from here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to write 9. It means I want my cell to start picking from the 9th position upward, and I'll put comma, and then I've put the start number 9, and then the number of characters. Now I'm going to put 70 or 100 or 80. Why? Because I want to ensure that when it starts picking up, when it starts picking the characters that I want them to be here, I want to make sure that this amount of characters falls within this 70, and I close my bracket and I click enter. You see, it has picked that character. Now let me show you something. If I come here and I remove 70 and I just pick let's say 4, okay, and I click OK, you see that it comes and pick just Y, T. Remember, this empty space here is also a character, okay, and then it picks R. It means it picks 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the base simple logic. So if I double click here and then I go up here, instead of taking 5 and I take my number 70, it can be above. I'm just making sure that the amount of characters that I wanted to pick after this 9th position, it should be convenient or equal to the amount of characters that are here. For instance, if I look at my cell, the longest character I have here is quick bite convenience stores. Okay, that's the biggest character I have. So if I have to count this one after the other, it's not up to 70. Okay, and I'll click OK. Click my enter button, and what I'll do here is I'll come here and I double click, and then it shares all these down. Okay, so this is how you can also use this function to separate between these 2 characters. So now I have my restaurant. I can just come here now, right click, and I delete this out, and now I have my restaurant. But something is happening here again that I wanted to show you. Now I cannot delete this because it has a relationship with this. Okay, so this is what I can also do. I can come here at this space, this other space here, and I still write restaurant. Okay, once I do this, it's simple. I can come and select this now, and I click Ctrl C. Okay, and when I click here, I want to paste. I'll come to my paste here and I'll start choosing. It says paste only values. I can paste values and number formatting. I can paste values and source formatting. I can paste without borders. I can paste keep source column. So I'll just paste the values and I click. So I've pasted just the values here. So if you click here, there are no formulas, but if I click here, you see that there are formulas. Okay, so now I can go ahead and delete all these, and it will have no effect on this other column. You see, so I can go ahead and delete all this. It has no effect. So this is how you can creatively work around your Excel each time you're using Excel. Now something is still happening. My towns are being affected. Let me see what's happening there. Okay, perfect. Okay, these towns, remember that I already did this for the other, so I can still delete this. It has nothing to do. I renamed it restaurant. I had previously named it towns, so that is why it is having a relationship and affecting it. So I'll just delete that, and that's it. And now I can just start analyzing using just this. Okay, I hope this was helpful.
Thank you all so much. I hope this helps, and please do well to reach out to us if you need further training on Excel and or Kobo or Power BI. Please let us know in advance so we can prepare an amazing one-on-one class and build your capacity even more and more for your organization and also for your personal career. Thank you all so much, and continue to stay blessed as you follow us.